Upbeat electronic music fades in. AI-generated visuals of a glowing vanity table appear. Hey beauties! Welcome to the future of makeup. Today, we're diving into a cyber glam look crafted by AI, perfect for 2025. Let's get started. Product list. Close-up shots of holographic makeup products hover on screen. You'll need NeonGlow Liquid Highlighter, shade Hologram Silver, AI Precision Eyeliner, self-blending tech, Virtual Blush Palette, reacts to your skin tone. All products linked below. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Base. Start with a smoothing primer. AI recommends this for pixel-perfect skin. Quick swipe motion shown. 2. Eyes. Use the eyeliner's auto-wing feature for a sharp, AI-calculated cat eye. AI grid overlay demonstrates the angle. 3. Cheeks. Tap the virtual blush, it adapts to your undertone. Blend upward for a holographic glow. Blush shifts color on camera. 4. Lips. Layer NeonGlow Highlighter over clear gloss. Futuristic shine? Check. Close-up of lips sparkling. AI tips and tricks, graphic text pops up. Pro tips from the algorithm. AI says, use cooler tones to enhance screen lighting. Set your look with light diffusing mist for camera-ready skin. Post winks. Background transitions to floating code. Love this look? Smash like, subscribe, and let AI design your next tutorial. Comment your futuristic makeup ideas below. Why this works. 1. AI integration. The script leverages AI tools for both content creation, e.g., script structure from, SEO-friendly title from, and futuristic product recommendations. 2. Engagement hooks asterisk. Quick pacing, visual effects, and audience interaction, comments, subscriptions, align with YouTube Shorts best practices. 3. Branding asterisk. Consistent futuristic theme and AI avatar reinforce a tech-savvy brand identity. Asterisk tools to bring this to life. Asterisk script generation asterisk. Use Fusion Mind Labs, free AI virtual makeup tutorial scriptwriter for step-by-step guidance. Asterisk video editing asterisk. Platforms like asterisk Pika asterisk, for meme-worthy effects, or asterisk Magic Hour asterisk, free video manipulation, can add AI-generated visuals. This script balances creativity with algorithmic efficiency, ideal for trending shorts content.